Two-dimensional signage and lettering has its place, but when you make it three-dimensional, it literally jumps out at you. Three-dimensional signs like this grab attention and look like they were professionally installed, but they are actually quite easy to do yourself. This video will show you the easy-to-install quick snap letter system for do-it-yourself professional three-dimensional signs. Once you have figured out what you want your sign to say, measure the area where it will be applied. Taking a picture can help you visualize the end results. Now, go to a Tap Plastics store or to the Tap Plastics website to pick out the type style, letter size, and color that you want. Our salespeople can help you match the letter size to the space you have for your sign. We have many type styles and colors to choose from. Once you decide what you want, we will laser cut your letters. Once you have your letters, there are two ways to get them properly positioned on the wall. The do-it-yourself method involves laying the letters out on a long sheet of paper, placing them exactly as you want them. Then trace around each letter. The other method is to have Tap Plastics provide a computer-generated pen pattern. This can be done at your request for a fee. Whichever method you use, lay the letters out in position on the paper pattern, then carefully remove the masking from the back of each letter. Depending on the size and shape of the letter, glue 3 or 4 quick snap pads on the back of the letter, spacing them for best support. Use acrylic cement in an applicator as you see here. These are available at Tap Plastics. After the glue has set a few minutes, place your pattern on a large piece of cardboard or other surface that can be compressed. Place each acrylic letter on the pattern in its exact location and press hard enough for the quick snap pads to pierce the paper. Notice that we mark the location of the pads on the front of the letters so we know where to push down. If your sign has duplicate letters, identify where each goes, since the whole pattern will be different even though the letter is the same. It is also helpful to mark which way is up on letters like I's and O's. The resulting holes become your drilling pattern. Tape the pattern to the wall using painter's tape, which is easily removable. Measure to make sure it is level and centered. Your mounting method will depend on your wall surface. We are attaching our sign to sheetrock using number 6 screws with wall anchors. Screws and anchors are available at your local hardware store. With your pattern in place, drill holes in all of the marked locations. Make sure you drill all of them. If you miss one and discover it after the pattern is down, it will be hard to properly align it. Once drilled, remove the pattern and place the anchors in the holes. Then insert the screw through the plastic receptor sleeve of the quick snap system and screw it into the anchor firmly but not too tight. Now the sign will really begin to take shape. Carefully place each letter with the tabs over the receptors and gently snap them into place. Our marks on the front of the letters help show us where to push. You will hear the parts snap when they connect. Finally, carefully peel the masking off the face of the letters and stand back and admire your personally, professionally installed work. Find more letters and sign supplies at your local Tap Plastics store or at tapplastics.com.
Tap Plastics, the fantastic plastic biz.